Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel SAP with Jimmy. So now we are going to continue our previous discussion in regards to SAP manufacturer part number. Okay, so in the previous discussion, you have learned how to configure SAP MPN and how to create the purchase order based on the SAP MPN that we have created before. And now we will continue with another scenario related to MPN. Okay, so let's say if you wish to procure material from specific list of manufacturer only, then you can make use of approved manufacturer part list using ticket MP01. For example, due to quality issue, your company wants to procure only from materials that is manufactured by 1008 Motor Construction. Then we are going to map this business requirement into SAP. You can open SAP log on. Then go to SPRO. Then we will see the customizing path first for the MPN. So you can go to Material Management, Purchasing, Material Master, Define Manufacturer Part Profile. We are going to go to MPN Profile 2001. As you can see, we need to tick AMPL Management. Okay, by ticking this functionality, we are able to use approved manufacturer part list. So after we tick AMPL Management configuration, then we go to ticket MP01. We type internal material number. Okay, then as you can see in this screen, we put A100-A that is manufactured by 1008 manufacturer. Okay, then we put for plant 1000 and valid from 1st April until 31st December 999. Of course, we need to untick the deletion indicator. Meaning to say, for this valid period under plant 1000, we are only allowed to procure material from manufacturer 1008 with the MPN material number A100-A. After this, we save the records. As of now, AMPL master data has been maintained successfully. Now we go to purchase order. We will try to test our configuration. We open previous purchase order. Okay. Then we change the purchase order by adding A100-P. We need to put the quantity. Then we need to put a plan. Then after we press check button, as you can see, there is an error message on line item 20. SAP is trying to say that this material A100-P is not included in the approved manufacturer part list. Therefore, we have an error message here. So as of now, our configuration works perfectly as per our business requirement. So that's all for today. Please feel free to share this video to your friend or your colleague. And if you want to know about any topic in SAP, please kindly share your thought in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.